In a recent daily dance video that I did this combination where I did the side plane, opposite direction, split time C-CAP into the double Jedi stall. And if you are looking to learn this, what you want to start doing is drilling each hand. So you have to do, it repeats infinitely, so it wouldn't really matter where you start. So if we start an underhand, we could do the cap, then the stall, then we'll go into overhand cap, then stall, then underhand cap, then stall, then overhand cap, then stall, and underhand cap, and stall, cap and stall, cap and stall, cap and stall, cap and stall. I mean, the assumption here is you know both directions of the cap. It also assumes that you know the two stalls. So for the stalls, the drop stall is probably the easier one conceptually, but the trick with the drop stall is learning how to do it so that as you're coming down, you can apply reverse force so that you absorb some of the energy that's coming down in the ball so that you can have it come to a nice stop and not do this wobbling, right? So you'd be coming out of this overhand cap here, and then you want to drop it and get a clean drop so that when it's coming up next to the other one, which hopefully you'll do better than I did, they look in line with each other, parallel and perpendicular to the ground, because you could look parallel and both be off. So there's that. For underhand, as you finish the bottom of the cap, you're down here, you want to basically bring it forward, imagine a candy cane, and you're going to hook the poi around the bottom of the turn, and as the poi gets to, right, it's coming up here, you slip your other hand underneath so that you can push under it to get it to come in the up part of the stall. You're basically doing a partial isolation to get your hand from this underhand here, pushing it up. And then once you exit, you go into the caps. So for the two caps, overhand is like this. You're doing in-spin from the top down to the bottom. Then you do an anti-spin pedal pushing forward, so a forward pedal. And then from the forward position, you go back up. But then you have no spaces in between all that. So it's in-spin, then anti-spin up, in-spin, anti-spin up, in-spin, anti-spin up. So this is the overhand version. Underhand is similar, where you do the in-spin going up, and then you do the anti-spin down and out coming from the top to the bottom. So in-spin up, anti-spin down, in-spin up, anti-spin down, in-spin up, anti-spin down, in-spin up, anti-spin down. And of course, once you can do each of the four pieces individually, the down stall, the up stall, the overhand anti-spin, and the underhand anti-spin, you can start trying to put it together where, okay, I'm in my cap, I'm in my cap, I'm in my cap, I'm ready, I'm getting ready, okay, here we go, here's the up stall, whoosh, okay, now I'm in my overhand cap, overhand cap, overhand cap, okay, I'm gonna do my stall, boom, now switch underhand, 2 and 3, and on 4 stall, go up, ooh, okay, great, and 1 and 2 and 3 and stall and 4, and now we'll do only 2, 1 and 2, now up stall, and 1 and 2 and down stall, and 1 and 2 and up stall, and 1 and 2 and down stall, and now singles, boom, 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 boom. I like to, I don't know, I guess for me, the rhythm feels like something in my body. If I, like that boom, 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 I'm articulating something that I'm feeling in the contraction of my muscles that I don't know how to say any better than that, or it's so subtle, I'm not sure how to describe it perfectly, but if you are somebody that responds to the rhythm, that's the rhythm I experience it as. And then once you do it with your left hand, you gotta do all of that with your right hand. So you gotta get your drop stall, your up stall, your overhand cap, and then your underhand cap. And it follows the same rules. And then you wanna try and put it together. So 3, 2, 1, up stall to overhand, 2, 3, and drop stall to underhand, 3 and 2 and 1 and up stall, back to overhand, 2, 3 and drop stall, and now we'll do 2 and 1 and up stall, oops, I think I did 3, and 2, 1, down stall, 2, oh, that was just 1. Well, great, just go to 1 then. All you do is, hopefully hopefully this is enough to get you started. Whoever commented, if that didn't answer your question or I somehow got the time code wrong and that wasn't the one you wanted, please let me know. Everybody have a good one. Hope you enjoyed.